You ever look in the mirror and just not recognize the person staring back? Like deep down, you know you're capable of more, but somehow, every day ends the same. Scrolling, delaying, wasting time. What if I told you 30 days could change everything? Not just your habits, your mindset, your energy, even how people look at you, but only if you stop making excuses and finally choose you. There was a guy I knew, not a millionaire, not a guru, just a 26-year-old, waking up in his parents' house, broke and depressed. He used to tell himself, "I'll start when I feel ready." But one night, rock bottom hit different. Everyone had moved on, and he was still stuck, frozen in his own potential. So he made a rule. No more thinking, no more planning, just 30 days, full war mode. Guess what happened? He didn't become rich in 30 days, but he became unrecognizable. He built momentum, confidence, respect. Today, he runs a business. He walks with fire in his eyes because of those 30 days. Now I want to ask you something. What would happen if for the next 30 days, you stopped arguing for your limitations and started acting like your life depended on it? Seriously. What if you just gave it 1 month? No excuses, no I'll start Monday. Would you finally build the body? Launch that side hustle? Stop chasing people who don't respect you? Type in the comments. In 30 days, I will become wow. I'll be reading every one. This isn't about motivation. It's about identity. Motivation fades, but identity? That rewires everything. Start thinking, I'm the kind of person who doesn't quit. I'm the kind of person who wakes up early, even when I don't feel like it. I'm the kind of person who builds, while others complain. You don't get discipline. You build it, like muscle. Here's the exact blueprint to follow. Week 1. Break the chains. Unfollow distractions. No porn. No toxic friends. Clean your space. This is your detox week. You need a clean system. Week 2. Build your identity. Wake up same time daily. Exercise. Read 10 pages. Speak kindly to yourself. This is where self-respect is born. Week 3. Face the dragon. Do one hard thing daily. Apply to jobs. Launch that page. Make the call. This is where fear dies. Week 4. Lock it in. Reflect. Track wins. Double down on what worked. Because this isn't a challenge. It's the start of a new lifestyle. Listen, you're not going to feel like it. Your brain will scream, just skip 1 day. But the old you? He'll do whatever it takes to pull you back. So here's your test. Can you fight that version of you for just 30 days? Because once you do, you'll never go back. There was a guy who didn't even have a smartphone. He used a $20 notebook and a cheap alarm clock. No fancy gym, no mentor, just grit. But every day he asked one question. If today was my last day, would I be proud of how I showed up? And that question changed his life. The truth is, nobody's coming to save you. No one is going to knock on your door and say, "Hey, I noticed your potential. Here's your dream life." You either create it or you stay stuck, watching others do what you are capable of. So this is it. Don't scroll to the next video. Don't say nice message and go back to autopilot. Do something. Today, change your environment. Write your 30-day goal. Post your commitment in the comments. This video ends, but your new story begins right now. In 30 days, I will become mock. Let the world see who you're about to become.